morning.
So we're just about to leave the Twice Brewed and we are heading to Durham, to the Durham Rugby Club for the Chausson meet.
In an Elddis.
In our Elddis, yes. And we have a stop-off, a special sort of stop-off today at the Elddis factory.
Yeah, don't get too excited. I contacted Elddis on Twitter, they follow us on Twitter, and said, can we pop by the factory? We don't want to go round or nothing, we just wanted to take a photo of the van where it came from. And the girl, Rachel I think her name is, said, yeah, pop in, come and have a coffee. So that's what we're going to do on the way, just because we can. And then, like Heather said, Chausson meet. We used to have a Chausson, as you know, and we're still friends with them. So that's the rest of the weekend. So this vlog will be...
We're the entertainment along with Dave.
Yeah. This vlog will be...
More Dave than us.
Friday, which is today, Saturday and Sunday when we leave and go home. So this will be the last one. Hooray, everybody says. We'll catch you there. Oh, stop off on the way.
Hoo-hoo.
Stop off on the way. I've got to wash the van again. Can't go looking dirty, can we?
We're having another clean.
It's a long lane, isn't it?
Possibly where that white car's coming out of. But it could be this one here.
Which one is it?
Hold on, I don't know.
Oh, this one, the gate's shut. Durham Group. Sure it was that one there that we went past?
Yeah.
So it's this one here. It's on the left. Right. So the last time Pearl came here and left here would have been on the back of a transporter, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, I can see a grey Elddis in front of us.
I know, yeah. It's not exactly the fastest gate in the world, is it?
Yeah, because you'll be able to get the Elddis.
That's the plan. So that's Emma, and that's Rachel, and that's Heather. You know Heather. And we're visiting the Elddis factory, but we can't go in. We don't want to anyway. We just wanted a picture of the van by the sign there, and they've given us a little gift. Look, isn't that lovely? And we didn't come for the gift. We just come for the photo. There you go. Oh yeah. Right, hang on.
Come on, can I pick coffee up?
Yeah. So there you go. Pearl would have come out of there. And there we go. There we go then. We are finished here at Elddis. Thanks to Emma and Rachel for showing us
So much. Thank you
showing us so much.
No, thank you so much.
Yeah, a bit. Yeah. Yeah, so it was lovely, and thanks for the lovely gifts that you gave us.
Very welcome.
Really nice to see. And we will be back again when you do that open day.
Yes. Yes. Look forward to having you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Right, so we're just coming up to Durham Rugby Club, where we're going to spend the next 2 nights with the Chausson owners group. It was lovely to meet Rachel and Emma at...
Turn left onto Green Lane.
Thank you very much. At Erwinheimer stroke Elddis. And yeah, hopefully we should enjoy the rugby club.
They've even put a sign saying the cog look.
Cog. You can see it. Okay. Where are we going? Rugby club left.
Here's Barbara coming towards us.
Aha. Hello.
And Denise.
Hiya.
Are we allowed in?
Is this where the is this where the good coloured vans come?
Hi Malcolm.
We're just going to go
Chris.
for lunch.
Oh yeah. We'll see you
Alright,
later.
we'll see you in a bit.
Hiya, Chris. All right.
How you doing?
Good, good. Where do you want us to be?
Right. Well, we're trying to get everyone in a big circle with the hab doors facing inwards.
Oh, well, ours is the other way.
So we'll have to go nose to somebody.
Well, that's fine. If you go nose to somebody, that's fine.
Morning.
Morning.
It's the...
25th of June. Happy birthday, Rose.
Who's Rose? Anyway, you'll have seen yesterday our approach to Durham Rugby Club. We did 0 filming after we arrived, other than a little bit of mobile phone footage, which I'll just drop in now.
Are you alright in there? Hello, Dave! Channel favourite! You've not bought that ukulele with you this time, have you? No.
You wouldn't believe it's less than half an hour after that torrential rain, and it's now sunny. Yeah, that showed
Half an hour's
yeah,
worth.
we basically walked around and said hello to everybody. You'll see a circle of vans, and it absolutely nailed it down with rain for about half an hour.
We didn't get all the way around, did we?
No.
It's because we got to Pam and Dave's.
We got to the naughty corner.
Yes.
And then, as I say, it's,
Martin and Tracy, another naughty pair.
Yeah.
Hello, Martin. He does watch the channel.
Yeah. It started absolutely nailing it down, and then half an hour later, it was bright sunshine again, which you'll have just seen. Anyway, so Saturday is our last full day. We're going now for a look round Durham City. It's a city because it's got a cathedral.
That's where the Pink Panther comes from, isn't it?
Durham. Yeah.
Durham.
Anyway,
Durham.
we'll pick you up there. Just quickly pan round. Look.
It's a beautiful day.
There's the rugby club. There's all the Chausson vans, with one Elddis and one Heimer.
If you go through there, you can see.
You might just see the flags. We've got a Staffordshire flag flying. Rather than, lots of people have
put their own
have got their regional flags up. So we swapped the pirate one for our Staffordshire flag. Yes, we know we live in Derbyshire, but we were both born in Staffordshire. See you later. And there is Durham Cathedral. We'll try and get round it and have a look.
That's better, you see.
Is it? Right.
I don't know.
Well, we don't know how full the screen goes, but there you go. Durham Cathedral in the background. That's it. Obviously, remnants of the Jubilee, I'd imagine. Either that or Mary Poppins has been very clumsy. Local car to me, that is. That's a Staffordshire registration. RE, yeah. Or Stoke-on-Trent maybe, but it's certainly a local car. Over the other side of the river, you can just about see the back of the castle and the cathedral. Going to have a walk along the river now, back to the rugby club. I don't think he's got the hang of this.
Well, it's a lovely walk around the weir around Durham.
Yeah. So tonight, for the
Tonight, when to become. Sorry. Tonight, what?
with the Chausson Owners Group, which is proudly sponsored by Tyne Valley Motorhomes. Yeah, no, seriously. Obviously, this isn't a paid promotion by us because it's nothing to do with us. But as per last year, Tyne Valley Motorhomes did give them some money to spend, and we had plenty free beer yesterday, And tonight it's free pizzas. I think they've ordered something ridiculous like 60 pizzas, something like that, but 29.
Yeah, 29 vans were there last night,
right.
But there was supposed to be the odd one coming again today.
Got you.
No.
So not a bad meet really, but yeah. I've no idea what filming we're going to do this afternoon because I just want to chill out, to be honest. But just in case I forget to say later, it's pizza. There may be just... Oh man, this has got to stop.
No, it's part. I've always done that.
I mean, you should have gone stop right now. Thank you very much.
Oh,
you're not getting it, are you? Yeah, there may be crappy mobile phone footage thrown in here and there.
yeah.
Who can tell? As we keep saying, this is really a diary for us, so we can remember
How much fun we had.
And when Heather loses her marbles in a week, you know, forgets her name.
I'm not going to lose my marbles. You're more likely to lose your marbles.
You call everything a what's-he call it at the minute.
I've always done that.
What?
Who are you?
See, they're all gathering in the naughty corner already, look. That's where the drinkers hang out, that is. So we'll be there later. Just, yeah, the flags are still up. Yeah, the awning's supposed to be, the awning's like that to let the rain run off last night.
I lowered it last night when it was full of water.
Here we go, look, Tyne Valley Motorhomes, proudly sponsored by pizza. Oh, look at this here, look. This is only the first delivery of pizza, the first lot. Pizza, second delivery. This is the important delivery, my one's in this one. Look at that. You've got a plastic table in for a doll's house. What you got? Don't know what it is, bolognese and something?
Bolognese and chicken.
Bolognese and chicken, and I've got something spicy, I don't know what it is. I thought it was, can I have a look in your van? Yeah, no.
You want pecan?
Look at this.
No, you just want plain.
I'm just telling everybody how cheeky you are. So we're leaving early, right? Before the coffee morning. Tracy's made a lovely cake.
You'd be gutted, wouldn't you, if I'd left and you hadn't...
And Heather said, well, we're going, but can I have some of your cake? What do you think of that?
I'd be gutted, definitely.
Look at this, look at this.
Showing the wonderful viewers.
No, look at this. Look at this,
Look
eh?
at that.
How about that?
This is plain.
Plain
The other
carrot.
one is pecan and sultana.
Make sure you get a face, what?
Oh, on YouTube.
Martin said make sure you get a face.
At least we've done the hair.
Well, you're all right.
Lovely.
I haven't done my hair, look.
Do you want with pecan and...
No.
No.
Just plain. Thank you. How about that, look. Dave's on the bacon sandwiches as well. Pam's made them all though. He just sits there and waits and barks his orders. Do you pack away, Dave? And again, this morning, Dave's had erection problems. And he's look, we love this dog because it's called Millie. Do you remember our Millie, everybody? This is Millie. So I've not seen a Millie and a Poppy together scrounging for sandwiches for a while. Millie, hello. We gave her one last year, a sticker, obviously. And she said it fell off. I think she peels them off when we go home.
No, that's not going anywhere. Stop it.
And here's Martin, look, with his. He's got a sticker wall though. Look at all them famous YouTubers. What? Life Beyond Bricks?
Yeah. We kept Annie rolling.
Bye! Did you enjoy your coffee? Bye. 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 See ya. Where's Martin? Oh gosh, we don't want to see him then. We've seen enough of him. See ya. I saw your bum, Dave. Bye. See ya. Bye.
There you go then, so you just saw the little railway children lap of honour. Goodbye, goodbye. Little child on the road, we'll be careful. Yeah, so departing now, Durham Rugby Club, thank you for a wonderful weekend to our friends at the Chausson group.
Yes.
And no doubt we'll be back again on another trip.
Yep. Thank you for Tracy.
Oh, Tracy for the cake.
For the cake.
Martin for the drone footage.
Oh yes, sorry, the drone footage.
Dave always for the entertainment. And
Barbara for more cake.
and Chris and Barbara for organising.
Oh, did a fantastic job.
And
wonderful.
Yeah, and everybody else as per normal.
Yeah.
Right.
Made some
it's
new friends.
Now a 3.5 hour drive home if we're lucky.
Yeah, it says 2 hours 45 minutes, but
You'll be lucky.
Never going to do it in that.
You'll be lucky. So we'll pick you up on the next video. Thanks for watching if you have.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.